Hi. Can lean manufacturing excellence be a strategic tool? Well, this needs to be discussed and debated. Let's understand the organization. We are not able to control the external factors such as sales price because it is governed by the market. What we have in our hand is our cost of goods we manufacture. So, therefore, to improve our margins, it's very important that manufacturing is systematic, streamlined. In short, we call it there is manufacturing excellence. By doing manufacturing excellence, we can control our internal costs, we can reduce overhead costs, reduce wastages, and finally, in a nutshell, improve our gross margins. Well, I, Nilesh Arora, founder partner of Add Value Consulting, will throw some light as to how manufacturing excellence can become a strategic tool. Well, when we design our marketing strategies, we need to understand what are our value streams operating in manufacturing. Which manufacturing streams have capacities and which are bottlenecks. Therefore, we need to identify those value streams, streamline them, and have uninterrupted flow of material. Based on the capacity utilization of each value stream, we can work on product positioning and therefore create a brand in a particular sector which can help us compete in the market, improve our market share, and become a brand legacy. Sales and manufacturing cannot work in isolation. They are dependent on each other. Manufacturing has to become the backbone and provide a good solid foundation for sales, strategies, and marketing. Therefore, it's very important to strategically link manufacturing and sales and make manufacturing excellence the strategic tool for driving sales. Therefore, manufacturing should build the roadmap for deciding sales strategies, and manufacturing excellence should become the strategic tool for market share, growth, and profitability. Thank you.